children, welcome to video class. See children, now previously we have learnt some simple addition sums. Now we are going to do addition sums only, but a different pattern children, different pattern. See children, in page 107 they have given arrange in columns and add the following. They are not given like this children sums. We should arrange them. We should arrange them and we should add. See children. First one, from A to G sums are given, but we should do this in your notes. In your notes. 64,324 plus 35,634. Now we should arrange them. See children. 64,324 and 35,634. Addition sign. Now ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, and this is 10,000s column. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, 10,000. Children, once again I will repeat. I have told you in previous class. These are addends, and the result what we will get is called the sum. They will give like this. Now we should arrange them. We should copy this one and you should arrange them in the notes. See children. From ones column we should start addition. From ones column we should start addition. 4 plus 4. 4 put in your mind, take 4 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Underneath the ones column you should write the result. Then tens column you add. 2 plus 3. 2 put in your mind, take 3 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Then children, hundreds column. 3 plus 6. 3 put in your mind, take 6 fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then next children, 4 plus 5, thousands column. 4 put in your mind, take 5 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then children, 6 plus, this is 10,000s column. 6 plus 3, 6 put in your mind, take 3 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. We should, they give the problem like this. We should arrange them and add children. 99, what is the result? 99,958. 64,324 plus 35,634. We get the answer 99,958. Like this, they have given in B bit also 2 children. In lakhs they have given. In C bit also 2. But in D bit they have given 3 set of numbers. What they have given children? 3 set of numbers. B and C, do in your same pattern, do in your notes. And D once I will show you the D bit. See children, 3,32,181. Before 5 digit number. This one 6 digit numbers. 3,32,181 plus 2,43,305 plus 4,15,513. First we should arrange them. See children, first one. 3,32,181. Then 2,43,305. Then 4,15,513. First, we should arrange them and put addition sign. Then ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, 10,000s column, and lakhs column. See children, lakhs column. See, after arranging them, then to start. See children, start from any time we should start the problem or the sum from ones column. See, 1 plus 5 plus 3. 1 plus 5 plus 3. 1 plus 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 6 plus 3. 6 put in your mind, take 3 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. We should do carefully children because we are doing not 2 column, we are doing 3 column. In 1 column we have 3 digits. They have 3 digits in a 1 column. So after 2 digits adding, with that sum, we should add another digit also. So we should be careful and we should do the addition. Then next children, 8, tens column. After ones column completed, then tens column. 8 plus 0 plus 1. 0 has no value. So 8 plus 1, 9. Then children, see, after ones and tens completing, hundreds column. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5. See children, 1 plus 3, 4. If any time we add 1 to the any digit number, the next number will be the answer. Successor, the next number will be the answer. In previous class I have told you the successor and predecessor. So 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 5. See children, 4, put in your mind, take 5 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then children, after hundreds column completing, thousands column. Thousands column, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5. First we should add these two numbers. 2, put in your mind, take 3 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. With that further 5, you add this 5. 5. After take 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See children, 1, we carry this one to the top of the 10,000s column. Then children, see, in 10,000s column, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 1. See children, again we should, this one also we should add to this column. See, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4. 4, put in your mind, take 4 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. See children, this one. Last one, last column. 3 plus 2 plus 4. See, 3, put in your mind. Take 2 fingers. After 3, 4, 5. 5, put in your mind. Take 4 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See children, when we complete this addition, we arrange and complete the addition. What is the answer? 9,90,999. 9,90,999. Children, from A to G, I have shown you A and D bit. Next, E bit, F, G. These all sums you do in your notes, maths notes. Thank you.